Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download YouTube videos onto your computer for free. So first of all, you're just going to want to go to this website. The link will be in the description, and you're just going to want to get 4K video downloader right there, right in the main page. Download it, save a file. You can close out that window, and then you can go ahead and open it, accept and install, and then it will download. And it's protected, doesn't have any viruses on it, so it's all safe and everything. Okay, and then once it's done, you can just hit launch, and when it might pop up this window, just close out of it, not necessary. Alright, and now we're in the thing, and now we're just gonna find a link that we need. So for my case, I'm just gonna use one of our videos that we made, this flamethrower breath, and we'll just copy the link and then go into here and paste it. And then it's gonna do this for a little bit, and then it'll show a panel like this. You can just select whatever quality you want. I'm just gonna do high definition, 1080, and then we're just gonna go ahead and download it. Now it's gonna download, and if yours does not download, there's gonna be a button over here that says force, and you can force it and it will download it without any problems. And then we can go ahead, show in folder. It's gonna open the folder, and this is gonna be where all your videos are, and then we can go ahead and go into it. And there we go. You have it now downloaded on your computer. If this video did help you and you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.